Animals that live in the rainforest. Sloths. Ooh, write the future. Let's see.
Wow.
Nice. An upside down life. Sloths are animals that live in the rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet woodlands. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Oh, this one's even saying hi.
Yeah. And it's smiling.
Yeah. Cute. Sloths sleep and eat upside down. They even have their babies in trees. A baby sloth rides along on its mother's stomach. Baby sloth. This baby's also smiling.
Yeah.
Yay. Looks so cute. A sloth is about the size of a large cat.
Oh, okay.
It has long legs and curved claws. The claws help the sloth hold on to tree branches. Claws. Yep.
Wow, look at them.
Yeah, they're so sharp and long.
Wow.
Those claws are as pointy as nails.
Oh, yeah. Long nails.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at him.
Ooh.
Smiling.
Upside down. Leafy greens. Sloths like to eat leaves. They use their hard lips to bite the leaves. They crush the leaves with teeth in their cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let your light shine. Leaves do not give a sloth much energy. The sloth moves slowly. It falls asleep upside down with his head tucked close to its body.
Oh, so that's sleeping.
Yeah.
A sleeping sloth.
Yeah. And his hands and his legs are kind of like a bedroom for his head.
Correct. The head is tucked inside. Yeah.
Like a little head bedroom. Staying safe. A sloth's long gray-brown hair blends in with the trees. Other animals cannot see the sloth. Oh, yeah. Can you see it?
Oh, a great camouflage.
Yeah, because the bark of trees are the same color as their skin.
Yeah. Wow.
Sloths use their sharp claws to fight off predators. Large snakes, harpy eagles, and jaguars hunt sloths. Harpy eagle. Ooh.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's a predator.
Yeah. And his tail. It's so patterny. Most predators live on the ground, so sloths stay safe in the trees. On land, they can only crawl slowly. In water, sloths swim very well. They swim fast.
Okay, great.
How many toes? All sloths have 3 toes on their back legs. 2-toed sloths have 2 toes on their front legs. How many toes do 3-toed sloths have on their front legs? 2-toed sloth. 3-toed sloth. Yeah, with 3 toes and 2 toes.
Okay.
Glossary. Claws. Sharp hooked nails on an animal's foot. Jaguars. Big cats that live in rainforests. Predators, animals that kill and eat other animals. Rainforest, a warm, rainy woodland with many types of plants and animals.
Wow.
Whoa! And here's the index.
Mm-hmm.
And about the author.
Great. Wow. That's an interesting book.
Cool. About sloths. Sloths. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that sloths eat and sleep while hanging upside down? The super slow leaf munchers are well suited for life in rainforest trees. And sloths hang around with these unusual animals in their bottoms up world.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
So cute.
Yeah.
Wow, this was a really nice book about sloths. And it told us about how they can hang upside down
Yeah.
and tuck their head in while they're sleeping.
Correct. Yes.
And one of the pictures even got a sloth saying hi to us.
Yeah, and it was smiling.
Well, thanks for watching. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.